Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So it's been a couple of days where I haven't uploaded the video. There are multiple reasons. I'm not going to go there, but just coming up on this video, I'm just going to share multiple tips which can help you to to start speaking in couple of days because uh, the journey which I'm living is like learning English language, and there are multiple people who are learning and still they are struggling. The reason behind, basically, I found out that because we are not rectifying our mistakes. That is the major thing I found out in my particular life, and due to which I cannot able to speak fluently. Right, there are multiple times where I got situations where I need to speak, but I do not got the words, and I didn't able to clarify it the way that it needs to be explained. So this is the reason, and that is why I can see that in the particularly on YouTube platform as well, that due to not clarifying the things, this is why people didn't understand what I'm trying to say. This is the most important thing. If you cannot communicate yourself to the other peoples, so you are going to be left behind, like me, because I uploaded multiple videos. If people do not know you why you here, and do not know why you are uploading the video, then everything is just scrap. So yeah, for this is the most important part, and I'm going to work on this, and in upcoming days I'm planning to work on my mistakes which I'm doing frequently. And today I just not enough energy. Because of that, I'm taking a lot of pauses while speaking. Yeah, nowadays basically I was working for one of big MNCs, and there I go need to work in the late night. So yeah, this is why I think I didn't able to get enough time to upload the video, because yeah, in the day shift basically I can do multiple things productively, but in night shifts it's too much stressful, along with like very difficult to get some sort of time to yourself. So I'm going to make the video and do some sort of productive thing while working on night shifts as well. Yeah, and going to work on my communication skills as well, because that is the most important part. If we are looking for some sort of growth in corporate world, we need to at least communicate, and rest of the things fall into your way, but just need to communicate. That is the most important part, and I feel a shy to communicate multiple times, and that's why I just came here on YouTube, so that I can remove my shyness, or you can say remove my fear of speaking. I didn't fear anything, just just trying to actually practicing the language which I haven't. So yeah, then that is what I'm doing. Just taking it a use quite casual approach to basically learn, right? So I hope I'm able to convey the message which I want to, right? So for today's video, that is it. I'm going to upload this video because I haven't uploaded multiple videos. I haven't uploaded past couple of days the videos. So bye bye, have a good day.